Hello everyone, this is Ruth Mejia, and today we will talk about my recommendations for Valentine Day's designer edition. So if this is something you might like, please stay tuned. Welcome, I am Ruth Mejia and this is Ruth All Things Beauty. Here I talk about perfume, skin and hair care, books, motivation and self-improvement. And today my list is the designer version for my recommendations for Valentine's Day. I know we will be maybe still locked down, but we can enjoy an amazing gift and we can make a nice gift for somebody we care about. And this is affordable, really nice perfumes for gifting. I will start with Oscar de la Renta Velvet. Well, burgundy is still red, right? This is a typical fruit, so it's red fruit and patchouli. It's a very nice perfume, very elegant. It doesn't smell cheap. It's not very long lasting. It will be 3-4 hours maximum on the skin, but it's affordable, so you can reapply freely. It's really nice and it's recommended for any age. It's red fruit, patchouli. It has also vanilla. It has flowers as well. So it's a really nice, not enough talk about perfume, but I think it worth to be tried. Second, I have look how gorgeous. If this was a gift for my friend Juanjo Familiar Fativa, I will link his Instagram below as well. This came all the way from Spain and is lovely. I did not realize it was launched so long ago because I never heard about this version. I really do not enjoy the regular Kenzo flower. This one was launched in 2015. Even though I never heard about this presentation, it's very well known and loved for many. And this is great. It has everything lovely. It's sweet, it's sexy, it's fruity, it's floral, it is vanillic, it's amazing. These will last like 6 hours on the skin for any age, and it is impossible that somebody don't like this perfume. It's impossible, and it's so happy. So it has rose, orange blossom, praline, mandarin orange, all things happy here. Very nice, highly recommended. I'm in love with it. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and leave a comment. Okay, deal? Let's do it. Now I will talk about Velvet by Avon. Avon is a house that lately they have been upping up their game, and this is a wonderful, as the name says, velvet is velvety. It's a smooth, very easy to wear, very nice. You can use this as a signature fragrance, very affordable but incredible. It does not smell cheap. This one will be also around 6 hour maximum, the longevity. And this one was launched in 2018. A really good one. Really good one. For some reason it smells like a little bit like a red wine. Like a little bit. Give me that vibe, but it's great. We also have, this is a special edition for CK1, launched in 2020. But this is the same perfume, just a beautiful presentation. And this is clean, everyday wear for working, doing errands, going to the supermarket, you name it. You won't fail with this. And this is such a cute presentation. Look at this. This one was launched in the 90s and is still in the game for a reason. It's versatile, it's long lasting, it's a nice smelling perfume. It's a one of the first perfume that were done without gender. Not one of the first, but it's the one that became extremely popular and still today has what they call a cult following, and there is a reason for that. It's a really good perfume and performs really well. Another one that I will talk to you is Maroussia. This one was launched in 1992. This one will be a little more mature. unless you are somebody who knows what you want. And this also was sent by Juanjo, and I am really happy with it. The presentation is beautiful. The fragrance is amazing, great as a signature fragrance. It has also flowers, fruit, woods, everything in here. This is for me a really happy perfume. It's a little bit mature, I will say, but it has vanilla, it has peach, it has a lot of things. So it's a great one, and very affordable. Very affordable. I just will say just this, I recommend for more mature ladies maybe. And this one, Wicked, if you remove the cap that I really don't like, but it looks like pacifier. It looks like a pacifier a little bit, but what is inside, this is Wicked by Bijan. What is inside is phenomenal. It's another perfume that is not common. It doesn't smell common. It is absolutely unisex and is really good. This one is sexy, very sexy. I'm telling you, the name, they knew what they were doing. It is such a gem that I can tell you, if you have not tried, run and get it, because the price is very good. And if you do not say, nobody will not tell you you're not wearing a high-end, niche, very expensive fragrance. It's sexy, it's great, very long lasting. It has a good silage. It's a cheap floral. So what else I can tell you? It has bergamot, mandarin, lotus flower, patchouli, amber, vetiver. It is phenomenal. And this is it for today. If I didn't say it before or I forgot, please, you do not forget to subscribe, to like, to hit the notification bell so you can receive more of my, when I upload in a video, you will get a notification. And also leave a comment. That will help me to grow, and I would love to keep growing with you. Thank you for your support, and see you next time.